Love it! I bought this as a base for my inflatable hot tub during the pandemic. We bought 12 bags of pea gravel to cover a grassy area in my backyard, and we didn't dig or level or anything. Laid out the pea gravel and put this on top. It was very easy to assemble and it's been great. It's a nice solid surface for the hot tub. Plus if we ever move I can just take it with us. Affordable choice if you are looking for a base for your hot tub. Exactly what I needed for a quick spot to put my hot tub. Perfect option if concrete is not an option. Well, it's holding up nicely under my filled hot tub. Not sure what else to say about this. This does take some work getting level. I used 700 pounds of pea gravel and 1,500 pounds of paver sand. But my tub weighs 9,000 pounds FIAs and it's still level. This product is exactly what it says it and does. I laid them on top of a level bed of crushed gravel, then put my new hot tub right in the center. Makes an 8x8 pad and my tub is 7x6. The pads link together nicely and clean up great with water. I would definitely buy this product again. Very easy to assemble and quality engineered product. Click on the link below to see price.